Hi, myself Miheer Maniar, student ID 8684917, presenting the PLC project 3. My lab simulator is not working, so I'll be demonstrating or showing you the PLC rungs which I have made on the TIA V15. So here is the main block. The main block consists of different calling on the different functions like R99 simulator to run the simulator, then system control having the system control runs, weight check station control, pick and place control, faults, and production statistics. And this is faults in which we have different faults which we have added. The one of them is blue TP light will be flashing when the bottle case is full. Then there are extend fault and retract fault. If extension or retraction of the arm is not done within 15 seconds, these faults are generated, and then yellow TP light will be glowing on. Then we have raise and lower faults where if the arm is not raised or lowered in 15 seconds when required, the lower fault and raise fault may be generated, and it will glow on the gray LT, that is the gray light. Also, when the cycle time takes more time than the preset time, the green light glows, showing in the fault. Also, the gray TP light glows when the number of parts is set to the parts which are required. So that is the maintenance counter which we have set, and the green light shows that maintenance is required. Pick and place control, there are different controls which are being programmed using this function, wherein we have gripper, and then using the timers we control the retract time and turn on the retract solenoid, extend solenoid, raise solenoid, lower solenoid respectively. Then we have production statistics, where we have counting the rejected parts using a CTU, counting the good bottles using a CTU, counting total bottles using CTU and displaying them in the real output in percentage. Also, we count cycle timing. Then we have system control, that is main control, which turns on the system, starts the conveyor, and clears out the values in the TP, that is the touch panel. When we have weight check station control, where we check the weight of the part and display it on the real one. Also, we check the part which is inside, it is checked for the part higher limit and lower limit. Then we use different logic to check that, and this is the project 3D wherein we have different timers set up. That's it. Thank you.